A man will be charged in court tomorrow in relation to more than 100 cases of hotel room booking scams. Now, the victims were allegedly cheated of over $40,000.
These are examples of fake listings on the online marketplace Carousel, supposedly offering discounted hotel room rates. After victims had paid deposits, the sellers became uncontactable.
The police received several reports between March and June. They say the suspect also posed as a businessman to get at least 10 unsuspecting Carousel users to help publicize the listings. He faces up to 10 years jail and a fine if convicted.